Welcome. We're going to move our bodies today and then we'll have to sit and meditate. We're going to focus on Jesus, especially letting go and letting Him in so that He can do with us whatever He wills. So just before we get into meditation, I just want us to, release ourselves a little bit. So standing, open your legs out wide. Just inhale, lift your hands all the way up. Exhale, bring it down, and then I want you to just like you're rolling to one side and to the other. Inhaling, exhaling one side in and to the other side. Take your hands down and come all the way. You're taking it up and bringing it down. Woo! Swinging it up. Keep your breath. Inhaling, exhaling. One more time. Taking it up. So now what I want you to do is one side, I want you to bend, go all the way as far as you can. So you can choose to keep this knee soft and just bend all the way, inhaling, exhaling. Coming back to center, we're doing the same thing on the other side, bending all the way, inhaling and exhaling. Make sure you're breathing and back. So what I want you to do now, take your right leg and take it to the side. And then I want you to take both hands up and then press to one side. Make sure you're breathing in and out. And then come back to center. We're doing the same thing on the other side. Inhaling and stretching all the way. Breathing in and out. In and out. And then come back to center. And then just inhale, exhale down. Stay strong here and then gently come on your knees. So for meditation, you can choose to sit on a chair. You can sit on the floor. You can sit on a pillow. So for some people who decide that they want to sit on the floor, there are different ways you can sit. So if you're sitting on the floor, if you think you can stay this way for just about 5 minutes meditation, right? So you can stay this way, okay? Otherwise, you can sit and cross your legs. Sometimes it's not very comfortable for everybody, so you can then grab a pillow to give you some, so it lifts your butt off the ground and you're here this way. Otherwise, you can also sit and stretch your leg out. But this is not very comfortable, but if you find that this is comfortable, then that's perfectly okay. You can also sit in a chair and sit tall and just put your hands on your lap. So find wherever is comfortable for you. I would rather sit this way because I find this somewhat comfortable for me. And then you're sitting tall. So you have two options. You can place your hands on your knees. You can place your hands on your knees this way. If you're sitting tall, then your hands will be on your lap. If you're sitting on a chair, you can stay this way. Now keep your shoulders back down. That's if you're sitting tall, so don't hunch this way. Stay tall. And this is where we begin to just inhale and exhale. Just be aware where you are and acknowledge the presence of God right where you are. So if you may, you can close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Just breathe in and out. Find your natural breath and the rhythm. Just keep inhaling and exhaling until you're comfortable. As you inhale and exhale, breathe in and out. So the theme of today's meditation is letting go. Keep your breath steady. Just breathe in and out. The best place to be, which is the safest, is in God's will. Keep your breath in and out. The only way to enjoy being in the center of God's will is by letting go of our preconditioned minds, mindsets, and beliefs. So what I want you to do now is, as you inhale and exhale, just see yourself letting go. Anything that has not helped you up to this point, maybe a belief, this is the perfect time to let go. So take a deep breath in and just exhale, and in your breath you can just say, Father, I let go. Breathe in and out. Under your breath, say, Father, I let go. You may be afraid or worried. This is a time to just let that fear go, every anxiety. Inhale, and as you exhale, just let it go. There is nothing to fear. Let it go. Papa says that I'm holding your hand and I'm leading you in the best pathway of life. I am watching you with my eye. With these assuring words, inhale and let every fear, just let it go. Every reservation, let it go. Inhale. Every uncertainty, let it go. Take a couple of breaths, just breathe in and out. Now I want you to imagine that God is stretching out His hand to you and you're placing your hands in His. And imagine that He's taking you through the pathway of life, which is best. Inhale and exhale. Keep your breath. And like the songwriter says, Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Allow the Lord to take you by your hand and just lead you wherever He chooses. Remember, there is nothing to fear. He loves you and He knows what's best for you. You may feel a nudging in your heart, like God is calling you into deeper waters or into deeper depths with Him. It's a perfect time to say, Lord, I will follow. Inhale and exhale. Just keep your breath in and out. Now I want you to just imagine God smiling, that approval, the smile of approval on you, saying, behold my son and my daughter in whom I am well pleased. That would definitely bring a smile to your face, so you can smile. Inhale and exhaling, knowing that Papa approves of you, because you're ready to let go and let Him do His perfect work in your life. For some moments, just stay grateful under your breath and just say, thank you, Lord. I'm all yours. Inhale and exhale. So now I want you to take a deep breath in, and with a big exhalation you go, ah. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, ah. one more breath in, and as you do, exhaling out, gently open your eyes. Now bring your hands to your heart center, gently shrug your shoulders back, inhaling and exhaling. Deep breath in and exhale out. This is where we say together, bowing down, peace and blessings. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I hope this was a great experience for you. If you did, share your experience and let's all learn together. What was that one thing that just, in your heart or in your spirit? Until I see you again next week, be fit, fab, and alive, and always stay in God's presence. God bless you, and bye for now.